Okay, guys, we're heading up to the new day, and okay, now let me tell you today's scenario. So, today is a holiday because it is the day of crying. I cannot ever say that thing in Hindi, but from this, you can understand what is the thing going on, and that's why we are having a holiday. I don't know that why this thing is happening, but we've got a holiday, so we cannot do anything. But we're glad to get a holiday because our school is around 4 p.m. till 4 p.m. from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. So that's what we are get distracted um, and get tired. So, anyways, sorry day and bye.